Hello everyone, my name is Shripati Venkatesh, the regional trader. Welcome back to my channel and welcome back to the new video. So today I have traded two stocks and I have deployed a hedging strategy. Okay, I usually take a naked position, but what I have done today is I have deployed a hedging strategy. I'm going to discuss that with you. And before I could proceed, let me give you this disclaimer that this information, whatever information that you get from my videos, from my channel, it is only for education purpose. Do not consider this as recommendation or a signal or a strategy to be deployed for your trades. Do not do that. I'm not a SEBI registered professional. Okay, this is only for education purpose. So let's start off. So I had this UNO Minda Limited in my watch list for quite some time because of this price action pattern that was forming. So the price action was really good. So that is the reason why I had this in my watch list, and I knew that it is going to give a breakout and good returns. And today it gave a beautiful breakout. I waited till this candle close, and then once the next candle opened, I took a trade here in this particular second candle, and then I was able to capture about 2.5% from here. And after that, I exited seeing this red candle. I could have held it, but I did not have much confidence because it is already given about more than 6%. Chances of it retracing and then going, it will go, but it will take a retracement. So the strategy that I have deployed is an option buying hedging strategy. For that, you cannot afford to be in option trading for many days because you will lose premium and you will incur losses. To avoid that, I usually stay in such trades for 1 to 2 or maximum 3 days. Okay. Today I got a news that USA and Iran have agreed to sign a deal, and because of which the market started doing good. All the sectors are doing very good, very positive. Looking at this, I thought breakout strategy, I mean hedging strategy would work today because the chance of it being volatile also is very high. So that is one of the reason why I deployed hedging. I did not take naked position today. Okay, and I took another trade. So that was Varun Beverages VBL. Yeah, this was another trade that I took, but unfortunately, I made a loss in this of 731 rupees. So I'll tell you what exactly happened. So today morning, when it gave a breakout, I mean, it was not a breakout actually. So the price went past this trend line, and I thought that it is going to go further because there was a huge candle, and today was a positive day, and the other trade was doing very well. The breakout happened really positive. So considering that, and I took a trade, after that it retraced, and my psychology did not work well. So I could have held it, but looking at the past information, like you see here, it has taken rejection, it has fallen here, it has fallen here, it has fallen here, it has fallen. So like 4 times, the took a rejection at this zone, and it has gone opposite. So I didn't want to take a chance, so that is the reason why I exited. But after that, what happened? It went in a positive direction, in my direction actually. Unfortunately, I could not capture that. So I could have easily made about another 1.5 to 2% here. Unfortunate that I couldn't capture this because I exited looking at this particular week. See, I should have entered in this fourth candle. So this is the first, the second, third, fourth, and this is fifth, sixth, right? So I entered in the second candle. Okay, I should have waited till this second candle close, and then third candle was the correct place to enter. But unfortunately, I uh, took a trade quite early. This is a mistake that I did, and this is a great learning for everyone, and for me and for you guys also. So always we have to wait for the candle close and then take. Otherwise, we will see such retracement, and we might get into a loss. Okay, so now let's understand what strategy it is. These are the two trades that I took, and this is the total returns. And this strategy is called hedging trap, meaning I've actually taken position in both call and put. Um, you can see here in Minda Limited, I have taken 1100 and 1100 P, 1100 C, both. Okay, at the same time. Okay, whenever the price is moving in one direction, um, chances of gamma effect is very high. With gamma effect and the delta, you will make good profits. But the other side, the opposite side, you will have very less theta effect, but the delta will be going in opposite direction, but not at the speed of the delta at the call side. Okay, that was the logic, and I took two lots of this and one lot of this. So I wanted to hedge the opposite direction, meaning the put side I wanted to hedge it so that I didn't want to actually incur loss if at all my trade goes south. So in put I lost about 6,000, but I made 23,900 in call. Okay, so total I was able to make 17,580. So this was the logic of this particular hedging. I only deploy this when the market is really bullish. Otherwise, it doesn't work. Okay, and Varun Beverages, same thing I did, but unfortunately, what happened, as I mentioned, it took a retrace here. So because of which, I incurred 1,200 because this is two lots and this is only one lot in PE. That's the reason the positive, I mean, the profit in PE is less, but loss in this thing is big. So that is the reason you have to be very sure about the strategy, meaning I combine price action and this hedging because it's option buying, it's not option selling. So the capital utilized for this was about 40K, and for this it was 46K. Okay, and you should be very careful when you're deploying such strategy. Without experience, without knowledge, you should not deploy. Okay, and yeah, so I've created this particular group for traders, specifically for traders. I share my thoughts, my trades, my strategies here, and take recommendations, and people also share their thoughts and their this thing over here in the group. This is meant for traders and also for people who wants to learn price action and be part of a trading community. So the reason behind this group is for me to create this group is because, see, trading is a very lonely profession, lonely business. You don't have colleagues or friends like how you have it in office. If you go to office, you'll have many people you can talk to. You can go for lunch. You can go for coffee. You can share things. It is not that you trade alone at your house or wherever you come. You usually trade. You are alone basically. If you make profits also, you're alone. If you make losses, you cannot discuss or share that information with your family members. They don't understand that because they're not into trading. So sometimes, I used to go get into huge losses. I used to go through huge, what do you say, emotional turmoil. But I always felt that you have a trading community. We can exchange our ideas, exchange our trades and everything, and that will keep us very active. Okay, so that is only the reason why I created this group. Yeah, so if you want to be part of this particular group, you can join this group. I have mentioned the link in the description, and this is these are the trades that I took today. This is unfortunate that I couldn't capture, but this one was good, and I was able to capture. Oh my god, okay. Oh, I exited here now. It just, oh man, oh god. Okay, this was a miss. Again, this is a miss, but yeah, I underestimated the market. Oh man, 48 I exited. Now it is at 53. Very nice. Okay, anyways, I could have crossed easily 25 or 30 probably. Um, Instead of 17, I could have seen nearly 25 to 30 today. Anyways, it's already gone. Um, okay. Yeah. So if you like this video, guys, please share this video with your friends, colleagues. You can comment if you want me to do any specific strategy video, or if you want to give any suggestions, recommendations. You can subscribe to my channel, and you can like this video and support. Okay. I'll come back again with another strategy, another video. Till then, enjoy this video and take care.